Departure Lane X-ray, flighting 175, runway 20, cleared for takeoff.
Port Tower says 1940, visual, runway 33 left.
Southwest 1941 retired. Good afternoon to you. Runway 33 left, cleared to land. Wind 270 at 4, traffic will hold and depart. Runway 28.
Copy all, clear to land 33 left, Southwest 1940.
Endeavor 5304, Bond retired. Good afternoon to you. Runway 28, line up and wait, ready to go. Traffic 5 mile final. Runway 33 left.
Line up and Endeavor 5304.
Spirit Wings 1435, nicely done. Turn right at Foxtrot, right on pop-up, ground point 9. Have a wonderful evening. Take care.
All right, turn Foxtrot and then Papa, and we'll contact ground point 9 or Spirit Wings 1435. Take care, man. See ya.
See ya. Thank you. Endeavor 5304, let's keep it rolling. Traffic 3.5 mile final, runway 33 left, wind 280 at 4, runway 28, clear for takeoff.
28 clear for takeoff, Endeavor 5304.
It was 1940, go around. Climb maintain 2000.
That was 1940s on the go up to 2000.
So it was 1940, and for now, just fly runway heading. Climb maintain 2000.
2000 runway heading, Southwest 1940.
Number 5304, contact on departure. Have a great day.
Departure, Endeavor 5304, you too. Our Southwest 1940, acquiring miles 1 and 0.
Southwest 1940, turn left heading 280 for now.
Left turn 280, Southwest 1940.
Southwest 1940, continue left turn heading 200, contact on departure at 119.7. I'll see you in a moment, I'm sorry.
Okay, left 200, Southwest 1940, we'll find out later. (1940) visual 33 left.
South 1940, Bottom retire. Good afternoon to you. Runway 33 left, cleared to land. Wind 240 at 8. Traffic will cross downfield.
Clear to land 33 left, Southwest 1940, like a phone number when you give it to me, please.
You like a phone number?
Yes, when do you know why?
I'm sorry, stay by. Southwest 1940, and I can give you that phone number. You tell me when you're ready to copy. You want the tower number, right?
Yeah, whichever one I get an answer, I'm ready to copy.
Sure, it's 410. Again, that's 410.
Copy all, thank you, man.
You're welcome. Southwest 1940, thank you so much for your help earlier. Turn right at Foxtrot. If you want to talk to me, I can talk to you real quick. I ain't got no traffic.
We'll wait, we'll call. Thank you, though.
You're welcome. You have a great day and talk to you soon.
You bet.